Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick today about grassburs or sandburs. If you've lived in Texas long enough, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Those weeds that get the little stickers on them that are very painful if you step on them barefooted. And what you need to know about grassburs is that they are an annual weed, which means that they sprout from seeds every single year, which means that you can prevent them with a pre-emergent. It's very important to get a pre-emergent down. That's the way to prevent from having or to keep grassburs out of your lawn. So the weird thing about grassburs is they germinate. Those seeds germinate in the spring, in the summer, and in the fall. So you have to get both rounds of pre-emergent in order to completely control them. But you can control them with the pre-emergent. So they will germinate in the fall. So you need to get the fall application down to kill those seeds before they germinate. And then you've got to do it again in the spring in order to prevent them from coming up, later on in the year. So just a word of advice: if you've dealt with them in the past, you want to make sure you get a pre-emergent down. Another quick tip about those is if you have grassburs or you have a big problem with grassburs, that's usually an indication of something else going on. That's usually an indication of your turf is very weak. It's an indication that maybe you aren't watering enough. Grassburs like dry conditions. They don't like healthy, thick turf. They will not grow in turf that's well mowed, well watered, and has a good fertilization program going on it. So that's likely an indication that something else is going on. But pre-emergent is going to help you tremendously in keeping them out of your lawn throughout the course of the year. So hope that helps. Have any questions? Let us know. Thanks.